Hi, my name's Lisa Biancani and I'm a second-year MBA. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my internship this summer, where I was working in the pharmaceutical industry. I was given the task of coming up with a marketing strategy for a combination product, and all that means is it took two active ingredients and combined it into one single pill. This idea of a combination product isn't new to the pharmaceutical industry, but it is new to the type 2 diabetes space, which is where I was working. And so what I found when given this task was actually to dig up some research in other areas maybe less thought of as valuable to find some key insights that would help me direct myself to the recommendations I gave. One of the key areas I looked was looking at the competition. So what I found was actually the leader in the market had introduced a product like this just recently, maybe 2 years prior. And people in the industry were very familiar with what had happened in the past, or maybe what's happening currently. But if you've been working in this space for 10 years, maybe it's harder to predict what will happen in the future. And so I was there to challenge some of those assumptions and found that I was actually able to see maybe a market shift that was occurring, just mildly to begin with, but was going to show some huge leverage points that we'd be able to gain in the future. The second area I looked was at other therapeutic spaces that use combination products. And those spaces were actually able to show where combination products would do really well, what markets and what people would value them, and how we'd be able to leverage that when we entered in the type 2 diabetes space.